Hi, my name is Martina Bode. I'm a clinical professor at the University of Illinois at Chicago and a 2022 recipient of the Blackboard Exemplary Course Program Award. Today, I would like to show you our Blackboard site for Calculus 1 from the spring of 2021. The Exemplary Course Award is based on 4 main criteria: course design, interaction and collaboration, assessment, and learner support. Let's start with the course design. In the spring, we teach this course in 5 to 7 sections of 120 students each. We merge the individual section Blackboard sites into a parent Blackboard site for the course. The course modality spring 2021 was online synchronously. The landing site for the course is the announcement site. Every email is posted as an announcement. We're using a variety of tools that are in Blackboard or linked to Blackboard. In the Getting Started section, students can find instructions for each tool and a list of frequently asked questions. The design of the course allows students to prepare and learn the material at their own pace. The Blackboard course menu is designed to help students locate important information fast and navigate the course easily. Icons are used throughout the course to make it visually easier to find course elements. Course information is posted in the syllabus and course information section. The section starts with welcome videos to the course, followed by short videos of each instructor welcoming students. Students' main interest at first is how they will be graded. We have a short table summarizing the general course components and the weights of the assessments. Additionally, the semester is summarized by a weekly calendar, which contains important homework deadlines and assessment days. We realized that language used in our traditional syllabi was harsh and detrimental at times. Assessment goals were often not given. As part of an inclusive syllabi project, we changed the language, gave explanations on why we're giving assessments and the reason behind the different ways of measuring student learning. In addition, we posted detailed grading rubrics. During the pandemic, we divided the materials into smaller modules. Each module runs over 2 weeks and comes in 2 parts. Each part has a PDF content worksheet for lecture and a discussion worksheet for the twice-weekly discussion. We have bundled the content and worksheets in booklets. Students have options. They can either print out the booklets or write on the PDFs or buy the printed bundles from the bookstore. All PDFs for the course are typeset with LaTeX. While the written text is easily readable by assistive technologies, mathematical characters and equations as well as graphs and tables are not. The modules start with an overview, learning objectives, and are followed by short videos. Videos are integrated with Panopto and have embedded questions. Content sheets initially were designed for asynchronous learning. All the videos posted under each module are referenced on the content sheets. The second criterion for the Exemplary Course Award is interaction and collaboration. Students have multiple ways to ask questions. We have a Piazza site functioning as discussion board that is linked to Blackboard and monitored by all instructors and teaching assistants. We offer online office hours in the Blackboard Collaborate course room and in-person hours in the Math and Science Learning Center on campus. Our classes have on average 120 students, and each section has 6 discussion sections with about 20 students. In discussion, students work in groups of 3 to 4 students on the discussion worksheet problems and then present their solutions to their classmates. During the pandemic, we made extensive use of Jamboards for students to work in groups and for their presentations. We have learning assistants, undergraduate students that have previously taken the class, assisting the teaching assistants. In-class sessions are held in a Cadly and recorded with automatic transcriptions in Zoom. We encourage students to view the content videos which are closed captioned prior to class. In addition, we've created a pool of multiple choice polls that go hand in hand with the content sheets used in class. Advantages of Exemplary are that it runs on a variety of platforms such as computers, tablets, or phones. Plus, Exemplary allows the use of mathematical notation. Exemplary is integrated with Blackboard. The third criterion for the Exemplary Course Award is assessment. We changed our testing during the pandemic to frequent low-stake testing assessments, including oral group presentations, allowing students to demonstrate their knowledge and ability to apply mathematical concepts in a variety of different ways. In the spring 2021, we were testing every other week on each module for a total of 7 module assessments. Each low-stake assessment has 2 parts, an online portion that is administered through MyLab, and a written portion administered through Gradescope and Respondus Lockdown browser. All platforms are integrated with Blackboard. The last criterion is learner support. Each module has a review folder. In the review folder, students can access sample essays with sample solutions, as well as the review guide and review problems and learning objectives. The review problems have typed up as well as video solutions. Each class is recorded and each instructor is posting their notes to Blackboard under Materials by Instructor. And our learning assistants run virtual review sessions every other week before module testing days and often use Jamboards. In addition, we launch a survey at the end of each semester, allowing for feedback on all course components. Content and discussion worksheets often receive high praises, as well as having access to learning assistants in discussion and for review. Overall, the course format is changing as we have transitioned back to mostly in-person classes. We have kept the frequent assessments, the module structure, and most elements from this Blackboard site. The next major revision of the Blackboard site will come with moving to Blackboard Ultra. Until then,